What's happening, crypto fam? Happy Thursday. Good morning and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. It's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate you taking the time out to consume the content, so thank you. This morning, I want to have a little talk about ADA, Cardano, toppling Bitcoin on eToro. Oh, yeah. What we mean by that is in a massive boost for Cardano. Data unveiled by multi-asset broker eToro shows ADA has taken BTC's place as the most held crypto on the trading platform. Well done, eToro members, for buying some ADA. All you got to do now is get it off there and get it on Daedalus. Get it staked. This is what we talk about all the time at the moment. Feed the beast. Due to its limited due to its limited store of value use case, some believe it's only a matter of time before Bitcoin loses its crown. Are we about to witness the fall of BTC? Ooh. Cardano tops eToro rankings. As far as market cap dominance is concerned, Cardano currently owns just 3.2% of the market. In comparison, Bitcoin accounts for 44.2% of the market, which is over 13 times greater. However, despite Cardano's relatively minor dominance, it has shown increasing strength over the course of this year. On January the 1st, 2021, Cardano held 0.7% of the total market cap. Damn! In the second quarter of this year, eToro customers increased their ADA holdings by 51% on the previous quarter. This was enough to usurp Bitcoin and take the top spot as the most held asset on the platform. Damn! God damn! Commenting on this, Simon Peters, analyst at eToro, said Cardano's potential use case is the driving factor here. He referred to the coming Alonzo hard fork, which is scheduled for mid-August, early September release, as the reason why investors are flocking to Cardano. If successful, it will bring smart contract functionality by allowing the writing and development of smart contracts for the first time on a Cardano blockchain. This upgrade will be significant as it will enable developers to build projects on the network, developing Cardano to position itself as a real competitor to the likes of Ethereum. Excuse me. Some expect Alonzo to catalyze the ADA price skywards. Analyst Kim Chua also plays into the Ethereum killer narrative, saying Cardano's ability to compete with Ethereum could see ADA hitting $3 in the near term. Ooh! Bitcoin no longer king on Celsius either. In a further blow to Bitcoin's dominance, the CEO of Celsius, Alex Mashinsky, had said Ethereum had already flipped Bitcoin on his platform at least. Speaking to Kitco News, Mashinsky revealed that Celsius users now held more Ethereum in dollar terms than they do BTC. He added that he sees Celsius as a crypto microsystem, in that what happens there will later happen in the macro system. Mashinsky pointed out that Bitcoin's limited store of value use case versus Ethereum's yield use case in explaining his phenomenon. He said more people want yield than they want preservation, or they do wealth preservation, sorry. There are more people in the world who are vying for a yield than people in the world saying, I'm afraid of my fiat current, I'm just going to park some value. Yeah, I'll agree with that. With both Topples and eToro experiencing a drop in Bitcoin popularity, it's clear that the demand for programmable money is beginning to make its presence felt. Programmable money, the love of that term at the moment is everywhere, in it. Programmable money. I mean, like, that was just randomly thrown in right at the end of that, weirdly enough. Programmable money. I mean, a lot of reporting. Cardano leapfrogs leapfrogs Bitcoin as eToro clients, most held cryptocurrency. Investors are showing sign of becoming increasingly confident in the potential of smaller cryptocurrencies despite this quarter's market's correction, with new eToro data revealing increases in the numbers of crypto assets being held during the last quarter. Perhaps surprisingly, Cardano's ADA has leapfrogged Bitcoin to become the most held in the second quarter of 2021, seeing a 51% increase on the previous quarter. Bitcoin, which led the crypto asset bull run at the start of the year, remained popular with a 42% increase in demand. However, it was eclipsed by ADA and slipped from first to second place. It's extremely fucking interesting. Ethereum, which has seen a 220% price rise so far this year, also gained popularity with a 79% increase in investors holding the asset. This is ahead of the highly anticipated London hard forks slated for later this month, which will see increased functionality added to the network in preparation for the Serenity Ether 2.0 upgrade schedule for next year. It will also see the EIP 1559 update, which will change how gas fees are paid on Ethereum 1.0 going forward. This will see base fees adjusted to market rates with the option of speeding up transactions by tipping miners. Now, crypto assets have an exciting year. Big milestones achieved in terms of price movements and increased institutional investments, signaling more adoption by the traditional financial services ecosystem. This emerging asset class continues to revolutionize many aspects of financial services, and the long-term fundamentals remain strong. However, as we have seen over the past few months, there will be bumps along the way, and we expect volatility to continue. We've seen issues such as energy usage become major talking points, and the next few months will likely see more exciting developments. We may well see a greater proportion of renewable energy sources supporting miners in other countries, taking China's place as the leading asset miner following its recent ban. No matter the headlines, we urge retail investors to be mindful of the risk when investing in cryptocurrency and do their research before investing. And I'll go one further. Get your ADA off eToro. Get it off. Nah, seriously, real talk. Get your ADA off the exchanges into Daedalus. Get it staked. Get them rewards coming in. Yeah. We can't stress this enough, guys, how lucrative it can be in the future to just start staking as soon as possible. I didn't do it soon enough. You didn't do it soon enough. Someone did it soon enough. But some of us just didn't. It's not too late. It is not too late. Check the video last night. Went over it a little bit. Check the buy and stake ADA I did about a month ago, because that is legitimately, it's just laid all out there. It's laid all out there. It's imagining you're putting simple numbers in, £1,000, £100 on 26 different occasions. It's 2,600 or it's 26 grand. Over time, with the growth of the coin and the growth of the price, it ends up either 8.5 grand or 84 grand, depending on what you put in, between 2.5 to 26. It's a no fucking brainer. You actually end up with like 12,000 ADA. Yeah, and again, I did up to $7 on that Excel spreadsheet. I just want to highlight the fact to people that I actually did up to $7, and there's a good chance you won't see a $7 ADA until the end of next year. Now, people think we're going to see $2 and $3, $4, $5 ADA soon, and I too believe that. But make no mistake, it's July, guys. Yeah, we're in the summer now. Winter's going to be here like that. Next year we'll be here like that, and we could well still be looking at a $1.50 to $2 ADOT by this time next year. Could be 3, could be 4, could be 5. To get to 7, 8, 9, 10, could be 2 years. Which means you've got time to feed the beast. I mean, I just wish should have started buying in sooner. There's too many we've missed. There's no ifs or buts about it. How the fucking hell we got to 2021 thinking we could still wait? Alright, I'll buy some of them next week. Yeah, fucking next week. Link, Chainlink, Quant, fucking Binance Coin. I'll buy some next week, mate. It's what it is. It's not like we've not still got portfolios of digital assets. We're just waiting to take off. If one of the ones you'd have bought, let's have it right. In an ideal world, backs would be $10 now, and I'd be a multi-millionaire before even touching a fucking XRP, ADA, and all the rest of the shit I've got. But backs didn't do it. XRP's not done it yet. ADA. The minute I bought in, man, within weeks, she times 10. I'm like, fucking hell. I got asked the question last night, what happens if you're staking on an exchange and the exchange just fucking goes away? And I'm like, well, pretty sure your fucking money's gone, mate. Unless the exchange wants to carry on doing business in certain jurisdictions, they're going to try and comply with that jurisdiction's regulations and try and reimburse some, if not all, of the currencies that was lost. Look at them when they get hacked. When they get hacked, they got a choice, haven't they? They either go, oh shit, we've been hacked, it's fucked us over, we're really sorry, but we're going to have to close the fucking exchange. It was in the small print all along, deal with it. There's no stopping any of them doing that. Let's have it right. Let's have it 100% right. There's nothing at the moment. When we say unregulated space, that's what we fucking mean. It's what that is it. Unregulated space means that if eToro today decided that they wanted to implement whatever they've put in the small print right at the fucking back that suggests, oh, if ever hacked, you might only get this percentage back, and they just say all of a sudden, oh fuck, we fucked it. We're gonna have to close this section of the new business model down. And I can't stress this enough. I want to tell people, and you're gonna have to go and do your own research to find out the exact. And someone's gonna be in the comments now, whether it's June, whether it's someone else, to let me know. And thank you if you do. Put in a regulated industry. So if you've got 100 grand in the bank and the bank gets robbed, in essence, or you get scammed, in essence, you're only insured for £85,000 per account. And someone said, was like, yeah, you just have multiple accounts in multiple banks and blah, blah, blah. I was like, yeah, but is it that easy when all the banks are in the same fucking group? I'm in the UK. If I go to NatWest, I'm legitimately just going to the Royal Bank of Scotland, am I not? It's just got a different fucking logo on the outside of it. It's fucking weird. But yeah, you own £85,000 insurance in the regulated industries and spaces. Unregulated crypto, they don't really have to give you shit. They don't have to give you shit. Which is why we say, get the majority of your wealth out of banks, get the majority of your wealth off exchanges, and control the majority of your wealth yourself. It will seem scary at first, which is why you start small. Not saying go and throw it in tomorrow, saying build towards having the majority of your wealth under your control. You might be worth 500,000 today, for argument's sake, let's say you're worth 500,000 today. In stored wealth. Not like your house and all that shit, in stored wealth. You could legitimately just put 5 grand of that away. And then a few weeks later put a bit more and transfer over time. When we say there's a transfer of wealth going on, it means people are taking value out of one space and they're putting it in another space. They're transferring the wealth from standard financial services and products into digital services and assets. It is the future. There will be no stopping it. I'm not gonna stop fucking saying it. You aren't stopping this fucking train. So get on it. Get on it. Yeah? Invest in yourself. Invest in the internet of value. Live long and hodl it all. Get it staked. Feed the beast, baby. Feed the beast. Seriously. It's good that the majority of eToro users have got are holding more ADA being held on eToro than anything else. But yeah, get it staked. Get help in the network and that, yeah? Wishing health and happiness to you and yours. We love crypto, we love ADA, and we love you. So take care of yourself. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.